everyone, I'm Teacher Lincoln from Writers at Work, and we're back. By now, you should know that we are the PSLE experts.
Hi, I'm Teacher Joanne, also from Writers at Work, and he's right back. Stay tuned to the end for a special giveaway and special prize.
Hi boys and girls, I'm Teacher Agnes from Writers at Work too. Now, we're not just the PSLE experts, we're the experts of English composition.
Agnes, so how do your kids usually feel when they get such high scores for their composition?
Lincoln, do you remember the boy from Nan Hua Primary? He's got full marks for his PSLE prelims.
Oh, that cool dude!
Yeah.
You must have shown his result display, right?
Yeah, he was so cool at the act cool too, you know.
Whatever it is, correct. I'm very sure you have been dancing in your head.
Yeah, I know, I was so happy, it was simply amazing,
So
unbelievable.
Like 40
Hello, ladies. Camera's still rolling, okay? So, can I check why we're in pink today? And then there's this thing here. We look like some fairy tale characters, and I'm not really sure I like the idea.
Lincoln, you're very observant. Because for the third tip to score your A star for PSLE composition, I need students to think like the three little pigs.
I'm ready.
In 2015, the PSLE question was being considerate. These are the three pictures. The first picture is of a reserved seat sign. Picture 2 is of a tray return sign. And picture 3 is of a hand holding a remote control.
And so, using the concept of the three little pigs, we teach students to apply the composition question, being considerate, in 3 different paragraphs.
My boy from ACS, he wrote this story Tara the Tinkerbell, in which an old man helped a younger girl who was in a somewhat embarrassing state.
Oh, that's the story that takes place in the MRT train, right?
Yeah.
So he used the reserved seat sign picture.
Yes, you know, he weaved in the concept of being considerate in 3 different paragraphs, and that's how he got his A star for PSLE English. And so, here's my tip. I need students to think like the 3 little pigs.
Oink.
Oink, oink!
Once upon a time, in a place far, far away, there lived 3 little pigs. The first little pig decided to build a house made of straw.
Now, that's exactly how to answer the Compo question for the first time. A simple reference near the start of the story.
For example, he lowered his volume while scolding his naughty sister in consideration for other commuters.
Now, the house made of straw works, but we all know that it was blown down by the big bad wolf. So, the second little pig decided to build another house, this time made of wood.
Now, your second attempt in answering the Compo question should be just like this wooden house. This time it should be stronger and clearer in answering your Compo question. And it should be near the climax of your story.
For example, wanting to protect the little girl's dignity, he tried gesturing and pointing instead.
Now, we all know what happened to the second house. So this time, the third and smartest pig built a house made of bricks. This time, the house was so strong and sturdy that no matter how hard he tries, the big bad wolf of logic could never blow it down.
Now, just like this strongest brick house, your final attempt in answering the Compo question should seal the deal.
For example, James realized that a little consideration goes a long way.
At WOW, we teach our students to answer the composition question in 3 paragraphs for every story.
And if you want to find out more about the A-star composition Tara the Tinkerbell, simply click the link in the description below. Now, if you want to find out more about the stories we teach here at Writers at Work, simply go to writersatwork.com.sg or call us at 9841-3975.
We've come to the end of the video, and for today we're giving out WOW Cash vouchers.
And today we have a special grand prize of an iPad mini!
Woo! To win all these fantastic prizes, simply like our Facebook page, share this video, tag your friends, and PM us. As usual, all descriptions in the description box below.
Now, remember to think like the 3 little pigs.
Oink.
Oink, oink. Thank you all for watching. Till we meet again.
Bye!